Hello everyone, so today in this video we are going to solve a question of Leetcode, that is minimum remove to make valid parentheses. It is 1249 question on Leetcode and it comes under medium category. Alright, so let's start with problem statement. Given a string S of open parenthesis and closing parenthesis and lowercase English characters. Your task is to remove the minimum number of parentheses in any position so that the resultant parenthesis string is valid and written any valid string. So basically we have given a string, and in this string we need to check the number of this parenthesis and the order of parenthesis. Alright, so like we need to keep a track of parenthesis when it is open and when it is closed. So let's quickly understand with an example. So let's take example 2 to understand. Let me make a multi-line comment here. Alright, so let's write original string is A, then we have closing parenthesis, then we have B, then opening parenthesis, then we have C, then closing parenthesis, then we have D. And let's write a updated string here. So updated string is, like, we will check it out, and let's make a stack. Alright, yeah. So let's traverse through this string. So if we get a character, so let's put it as it is. Then we have a closing parenthesis, so there is no opening parenthesis for this closing parenthesis, so we will directly put a star in place of this closing parenthesis. Then we have B, keep it as it is. Then we have opening parenthesis. So once we get opening parenthesis, let's put the index of this opening parenthesis into our stack. So the index of this is 0 1 2 and 3, so it's 3. Then we have C, so let's put as it is. Then we have closing parenthesis. So for the closing parenthesis, there is an opening parenthesis in our stack, so we will just pop it out. Then we have D, so let's keep it as it is. Now our stack is empty, so we don't need to make any changes in our updated string. So let's quickly remove all the stars from here, like asterisks from here, and our resultant string would be A, B, opening parenthesis, C, then closing parenthesis, then D. So this is our resultant string, and we will just return this string from this function. Like, this is our answer. I hope you understood the approach. Let's quickly code it out. So let's make a stack here. So stack of int, because we are storing the indexes of the string. So stack int st. Then let's run a for loop to iterate through the string. Int I is equal to 0, I should be less than s dot size I plus plus. Then like check if as I is equal to opening parenthesis, so we will just push the index into our stack. So push I, then if as I is equal to closing parenthesis, then like if st is not empty, like if st is not empty, then we will just pop from the stack, because there might be an opening parenthesis for the closing parenthesis in our stack. As if there is no opening parenthesis, so what we will do, we will just replace this closing parenthesis with a star, like the asterisk. So as I will be equal to asterisk. Alright, it's it for function. So like for this iteration, now let's iterate until st is not empty. So we will just update all those indexes by asterisk. So s st dot top equal to a string, then just pop it out. So st dot pop, and let's erase all the stars from the string, and let's get our original, like the resultant string. So s dot erase, remove s dot begin, s dot end, and remove s6 from here, and s dot end. Now at the end just return s. Alright, so now let's run it. Yeah, it's working fine. Let's just submit. Yeah, it's working fine. Now let's calculate the time and space complexity of our solution. So time complexity of our solution is big of n, because we are iterating through all the n characters of the string, and space complexity is also big of n, because in the worst condition we will be storing all the characters in our stack. That's why it's big of n. So I hope you understood the solution. If you still have any doubt in this question, feel free to comment it down. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.